Right, okay, Richard. Following on from the solar cooker that we were talking about, how do you collect and heat water on your island?
Yeah, sure. Well, this is the satellite dish that we talked about in the last video. That we were cooking the cake in the sun with the mirrors that were mosaiced into it. Well, this satellite dish will collect rain. Obviously, you can collect more, and you can have like rain catchers, like sails that come down or cloths that lead into this, so you can collect a lot of water.
Oh, right.
And now you can drain it off through a hole in the middle and heat it up. You can have a pipe that comes away from there and spirals around. If this is the highest point, then you take it a bit lower, so it just drains by gravity through a pipe that's spiraled around that the sun is shining on with a glass over it, and you paint the pipe black. It soaks in the sun more, so you can get that water almost boiling, and then you can put it in an insulated tank, and you've got hot water in the morning. So it's very, very simple to do. Now with this satellite dish also, you can desalinate water. All you need, instead of the cake, you have a bottle, whatever size you choose, up there.
Right.
You can get the big plastic bottles or whatever, and you put salt water in it.
Right.
And then you fix a pipe to the top, so it's pretty much sealed, and the pipe comes from the bottle and it comes away kind of horizontally and then leaning down lower and going into the shade. And then at the end of that pipe you have a container that it drips into, because what happens is the mirrors will focus the sun onto that bottle and heat the water up immensely. It will then evaporate the water all day long. Now it's evaporating and coming along the pipe, but as it gets to the shaded area and it angles down, it condenses to droplets of water.
So you're distilling it as you go.
Absolutely distilling, so you have perfect clean water, and you've got salt in the bottle at the end of the day as well, so you could actually use that salt.
So aside from the obvious showers, what other applications are there for the hot water on the island?
Applications for showers?
No, apart from the showers, what else do you use your hot water for?
Probably not much more.
Do you not filter that into the washing machine, or do you heat the water separately in that?
Of course, actually, yes. Well, yeah, that leads into the washing machine then, doesn't it? Of course, but for washing clothes, I didn't think about that. But yes, so that some of that hot water can be put into a washing machine. Now, I made a washing machine for the travel channel that came.
What was the name of the program?
It was Life's a Beach.
That was it.
USA Travel Channel. And so look that up. I made it specially for when they came, because they'd already been before for a program called Extreme Houseboat. So I was on that one as well. But they wanted something different. So I mentioned this idea of the washing machine. They said, do it. It was 3 days before they came. 3 years. I needed 3 years. No, I could have done it a lot quicker, but 3 days was a bit short. But I did it, and it worked. It actually worked.
Show me how you built it.
Okay, let's get a pen out quickly. We'll turn a page.
Do a separate sketch, yeah.